Today, we'll be creating a bistro table out of Lapitec Sintered stone. Let's jump right in to cutting the slab with our Breton Trinity CNC saw. Sintered stone slabs have a lot of tension in them, so the first thing we need to do is to make 4 cuts on the perimeter to reduce that internal stress. Here we are using the vacuum gripper to move the slab away from the tension strips, so they don't interfere with the rest of our cutting. Cutting sintered stone is quite difficult, but the Trinity has solved this problem with a truly revolutionary technology called synchronous cutting. It uses the diamond blade to cut through 3/4 of the slab thickness and dual water jets to finish the last quarter. For curved cuts, we use a single water jet nozzle to cut through the slab in a single pass. This high-pressure, high-speed jet cuts through the slab like butter. So if a water jet is so amazing, then why not just water jet the whole slab? Well, we could. And sometimes we do, but a water jet is much slower than a diamond blade at cutting. This water jet portion of the time-lapse is actually sped up 2 times more than the previous synchronous cutting. The next step is to use our CNC router to profile and polish the edges of our pieces. Next, we use a small diamond milling bit to cut slots into the top and bottom pieces of the table. This will allow for a more secure connection to the table legs. Since our slab is only factory polished on the top side, we need to manually polish the back side of both table legs. And now the moment of truth, does it fit together? It fits perfectly. We use epoxy to lock everything together so the table can be lifted without coming apart. Thank you for joining us behind the scenes at Natural Stone City. We specialize in crafting stunning countertops to transform your home. Visit naturalstonecity.com to learn more about Lapitec, or follow us on social media for more inspiration. Let's create your dream project together.